Yeah, it's just another short update on Jeep WJ, the final install. I'm still having problems, this time
It took
due
me
to
about 10 or
losing
12
the
minutes
thrust
to get
washer.
this racing. It started in crooked like they do quite a bit. The short handle on this tool doesn't help, so I had to make me a makeshift handle here. And it helped. And what I did, the top was going in quite a bit more than the bottom, so I went down here to the bottom and I got it pretty well even, and then back to the center and it went right on in. So anyway, if it starts in crooked, it becomes really hard. You got to straighten it out, which I've seen on many YouTube videos. Anyway, out for now.
Also, I've had some problems finding replacement parts, but I think I finally found one. Should have it by Tuesday or Wednesday of this coming week, and hope I can get back on it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Hopefully, I'll have better news for everybody. Out for now. And here's a real good shot of that thrust washer that I had installed. And I'm getting ready to pull it out and punch that pinion out, getting ready to make a shim adjustment. When I punched that pinion shaft out, that washer went flying towards me, rolled somewhere, and I have not been able to find it. I've taken the garage apart. I do not know where it went. I'll probably find it later, I'm sure.